Another feature that I didn't touch on too much was the call distribution. So we talked about this scenario where we route a tracking number to a receiving number. But in addition to that very basic setup, there's a lot of different options that we provide around how you distribute the phone calls. You can build voice menus or set up an auto attendant to prompt the caller to make a key press or to say a specific phrase. And based on that voice menu, we can send the calls to different destinations. We can record these voice menus in your own voice. We can do text to speech, and we've got a few different robot voices that'll read this stuff out for you. And then with that prompt for the caller, we'll define what kind of action that we take with each key press. Do we want to send the calls to different destinations based on this key press? Do we want to trigger other events that happen, like sending a text message as a result of a specific key press here? Or do we just want to use it to collect the data that they're providing in the case of maybe a survey? As callers interact with these voice menus, we can do things like tag the calls based on those different key press interactions. And you see some of the tags that have been added here. So this can add another valuable dimension to the data and the reporting that we provide based on what the callers are calling for, what's their intent, and where did they end up. You can imagine if you've got calls coming in from your paid ads and they're electing for option 2 for service instead of 1 for sales, that could be troublesome. You may want to optimize your website and where you're sending your paid visitors blast to these prospects. You might provide a call to action in that blast that says reply with these specific phrases for different interactions, and you can have lots of different automated dialogues based on how people interact with that text blast that you've sent out. Also, in the auto dialer capability, in that phone system contact center as a service solution, we support an auto dialer. The auto dialer can be integrated for not only call attempts, but text message attempts as well. So you can imagine after we've made 2 call attempts in an auto dialer, and that 3rd attempt, we could send them a text message letting them know that we're going to make one final attempt tomorrow to try and catch up and have them take advantage of the promotion that we're offering.